Okay. Get down there and stand. I'll tell you when we're good. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit more, all the way to the driveway. All right.
Look, Dad, I can throw rocks with my toes.
Yeah, well, don't.
No, look.